Hello, this is Elliot from AutoKey Pro. I'll be working today on those 2011 to 2017 Volkswagen Touareg. Those smart key, I have them brand new. I didn't end up using them. And when you buy those brand new from the dealer, they usually lock these ones so you cannot able to program it yourself. And if you cannot, you have to take it to the dealer only to do the programming. But there is a solution for that, which is, as you see here, it's going to be learned after you scan it, so you can't actually do nothing. You have to take it to the dealer to do the programming. But I have the second one I was working on to open it. You can actually virginize it, unlock it, make it work again. You can do the programming yourself after. You need to open this remote, and if you see here, they kind of put glue around it. You're gonna use the blade slowly. You don't want to go too deep and damage the circuit board. You're gonna go slowly till you open it. If you open from one side and you try to split it, it's gonna open. It's not that hard. And of course, to remove those chrome pieces, there is a little pin on the side here. You push the pin and then it releases that little lock. And I'll give you a little explanation here. That little lock, if you notice, it's always clip in. When you push that little pin out, get a pick or something, push it, it will snap it out. And then you can cut the remote, take off the board, and you need, and the only thing you can do it with is the keydiy, not with the X-Horse. X-Horse, they don't have a section for that. And I'm gonna show you guys here. The keydiy is the only one, and there's a section here where you put those. You connect it, you connect positive and negative, and then you flip it to this side, and as you see, and I marked them down here. I already did the unlocking for that one. There's one here and one there, as the picture showing. So you connect it there, and you follow and you unlock it. And after you unlock, you can scan it again. I have it somewhere. And then we read that. And there you go. If you see here, it's an Audi chip. Obviously, Volkswagen Audi are the same. It says learning is new. It's a new remote. There's no data, nothing on it. So this is ready to do the programming. Thank you for watching.